Hello and welcome. This is Melody from Melody Crochet, and today we're going to be doing a single crochet tutorial. So we're going to start working into a chain. Not the easiest, but the first. So let's do it. Insert into that second chain from hook and it will look like this. Okay. You're just going under one strand, the one closer to your working yarn. So you went in with a sideways hook. Hook faces up, grab the yarn. Once you've got that yarn, hook goes back the way it was and draw up. You have two strands on your hook right now. Yarn over. Yarn over means yarn over, yo. Basically, you just need to wrap the yarn around the hook from back, up, and over. Pull under. Okay, that is all there is to a single crochet. Let me show you one nice and smooth just so you know it doesn't always look that struggled. Usually it looks like this. And that's all there is to it. Just through, and your stitches are not going to look like my stitches. Your hands are not going to look like mine are. The most important thing is that your yarn is doing what my yarn is doing. Not how we get there. Everyone crochets differently, and that's perfectly fine. As long as you are consistent, your work will look good. So that's if you are working into a chain. Okay, next row. Now, as a rule, don't worry about this, but to get to the next row, you're going to chain one and turn, or you're going to work in a circle, but we'll work on that next. So now here you are. You have made, this is the back of your single crochets from your last row because you turned. Don't work into this. That is the chain one you just made. Okay, and even though this looks really far to the right over your stitches and you might not trust it, trust the fact that you only chained one, so work in to this right after it. You're going to insert your hook under both legs of that V. You see the V, huh? Right there. Work under both legs of the V, and then grab your yarn. Boop. That was a yarn over. Bring it back under everything you went under. That's a yarn, what is it called? Drawing up a loop. And you yarn over, and yarn over just means go under, over. Now you have the yarn. Turn your hook so you can go through stitches. This yarn is splitting. There we go. Your yarn will be better behaved than mine, don't worry. So we're going in, we're grabbing the yarn, we're coming up, we're yarning over, pulling through everything on the hook.